Hey guys, so today I am going to show you how to mount this 42-inch TV onto an outdoor TV mount. So I'm going to mount my TV right here. Okay, these are the steel bars at my balcony. So first you take out this mount. This is the Zibo Zap outdoor TV mount, and you remove this elephant screw right here and remove all the washers that it comes with. Alright, then you just remove the bottom bolt, right, and also remove the washer. And I am going to mount this TV onto the steel bars. So I used two of these steel bars and I just placed it on the steel bar, and I use these ratchets right here. Alright, so these ratchets help to make the TV mount even steady, and it is really easy to do it. Okay, I did this myself, and to my surprise I also recorded this video myself. So it is pretty simple to do it, so I'll show you how to do it. And first you just attach the straps onto the ratchet and you tighten the ratchet as shown. Okay, so you just make sure that the mount is placed on one of the steel bars. So this TV mount here, it's an outdoor TV mount where you can use this on any pillars, any column, okay, whether it's made out of steel, wood, or even concrete. Right, so after you have placed the first ratchet, what you do is you place the second ratchet. Okay, take these straps and then place the straps onto the ratchet. All right, just like that. Okay, put him in and pull it out like this. All right, and next you just pull the straps to make it tight and use this ratchet to make the plate steady and it holds on the pillar. All right, so after we have made everything nice and tight, okay, what I did was I just spin around this strap to make it tidy. All right, so next yeah, you could see the TV plate installed. Okay, make sure the arrow is facing up and everything looks tidy, it's good. All right, so after that, as you can see, this is the main TV mount. Make sure the arrow points up, and you just place the main TV mount onto the bolt you have on the main plate. All right, top and bottom. And firstly you gotta use the elephant bolt. Okay, tighten the bolt. As you can see here, I did not use any tools. All right, I just use my bare hands. If you want to use a tool, okay, to make it easier, you could use a plier or even just use a plier for that. Okay, then next what you do is use place these washers and put the second bolt, the one on the bottom. All right, and I just use my hand to show you guys. You could use a tool if you want to. All right, so make it tight, make sure everything is tight. So for the TV, this TV mount is swivel, yeah, it's able to swivel 360 degrees. And the special thing about this TV mount, you could tilt the TV. All right, yeah, as you can see here, you could tilt the TV, and there is a special case for wire management for this TV mount. All right, I'm going to place my TV. So I have already fixed the brackets on my TV. The TV is quite heavy, so yeah, but I managed to carry it my own. So you place the TV mount, place the TV onto the brackets of the TV onto the TV mount. All right, so at first it is a bit wobbly, and to ensure that your TV stays in place steadily, what you could do is you could take a hex key or an Allen key, all right, whatever you call it. So you just make sure everything is tight, right? Yeah, just like I'm showing here. All right, so make sure everything is tight, And after you have tightened everything, it's ready, guys. You could watch your TV, and this is, as I said, 360 degrees. You could swivel the TV, you could tilt the TV, and it really holds. Okay, on the next videos, guys, I'm gonna show you how to place a cover for the TV and make sure your TV is not wobbly. All right, so I'll show you how to place the TV cover, and see you guys later.